Hi, in this video we'll see what is arithmetic progression. So before that, first let's see what is the definition of arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression can be defined as a set of numbers, example 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on, where the difference between any two consecutive number will always be the same. So here we can see the difference between any two consecutive number. So 4 minus 2 is 2, 6 minus 4 is 2, 8 minus 6 is 2, 10 minus 8 is 2, and so on. So this type of number series we can call it as an arithmetic progression. Now let's see some facts about the arithmetic progression. The first fact is the initial term. In an arithmetic progression, the first number in the series is called as an initial term. Okay. So the second thing, common difference. The value by which a consecutive term increases or decreases is called the common difference. Example, here we have taken 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Here the difference for any two consecutive number is 2. So we can say that the common difference of this number series is 2 and the initial term is also 2. Now we'll see the applications of arithmetic progression, where the arithmetic progression is used in the real life. Let's assume you are going by a taxi. I'll draw a taxi. Okay. So what the taxi driver says is, for the first kilometer, the taxi fare is fixed and it is rupees 50. So after first kilometer, for every kilometer, he will charge 10 rupees. So now if you are traveling for 10 kilometers, I'll take example 10 kilometers. For the first kilometer, you will pay him 50 rupees. Next, for the second kilometers, plus 10, 60. Third kilometer, 70. Fourth kilometer, 80. Fifth, 90. Sixth, 100. Seventh, 110. 8th, 120. After covering 9 kilometers, you need to pay him 130. After covering your 10 kilometers, you will be paying him rupees 140. Now if we go through this first term 50 is called as initial term. Next, if we see this series, the difference between any two numbers is always fixed and that is rupees 10. So this difference we call it as a common difference. Okay. So now we'll see the formula to find the nth term of the arithmetic progression, and another formula is to find the sum of nth term of the arithmetic progression. First we will see the difference between this formula, what is nth term and what is the sum of nth term. So before getting into that, for the explanation of nth term, we'll see where this arithmetic progression chapter will arrive. Firstly, this arithmetic progression chapter is there in the syllabus of 10th standard in the CBSE syllabus. Next, it's in a staff selection commission entrance exam syllabus. Next, the questions on arithmetic progression will be in the banking exams. Next, it's in a MBA exam. Next, the arithmetic progression questions appears in a MBA exam. That means this topic is one of the important topic for all the competitive exams. Now we'll see the explanation of nth term of a AP. So what is nth term? The formula goes like this: A of n equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. First we'll see the explanation of the formula. A of n equal to A1 plus n minus 1 into D, or you can just remove this A1. You can also spell it as A of n equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, where A is the first term and D is the common difference, as we have seen. And n stands for number of terms. Now we will see the explanation of this. Okay, considering the example, the previous example itself of a cab. For the first kilometer he is taking 50 rupees, and the next kilometer, the next subsequent kilometer, he is charging rupees 10. So now what is nth term? In a simple words, we can say that the place value, n stands for the place, like this is first, second, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So therefore nth means that particular place value. Suppose if I need to know what is the value, okay, after covering the 4th kilometer, so now I can call it as the fourth term. So this 4 determines the place, and the term determines the value. Now we'll see with the example. In the first kilometer he will be paying 50. In the second kilometer, that is after completion of second kilometer, he will be paying rupees 60. Now suppose if I need to know what is the value, okay, what is the content of this box number 7. Okay, let's assume this as individual boxes. Okay, so now we will see what is the box value of 7th. So we can apply the formula, that is A of n equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So now as we want the 7th box value, I'll write it as 7th term. So A means the first term, that is initial value 50 plus 7. I need a 7th box value, that is 7 minus 1 into the difference. The difference is 10 into 10. So 50 plus 6 into 10, that is 50 plus 60 tends to 110. Now we'll just go by the trial method. So after completion of second kilometer, he will be paying 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. So therefore, if he travels for 7 kilometer, at the end of 7 kilometers of his journey, he will be paying rupees 110. So this nth term formula is used to find the value of a particular place. So in the easiest method, what you can just remember is, these are the boxes, and each boxes will be having a number. Whenever they ask you for the nth term, you can just assume that this particular box number's value, what is the content of that box. So in the next we will see what is the sum, another formula, the sum of nth term. Okay. The sum of nth term of an AP formula is like this: S of n, that is sum of n terms, is equal to, sorry, here there is a bit of mistake, sum of n term is equal to n divided by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, where n stands for number of terms, d stands for common difference, and n stands again same for number of terms, and Sn stands for the sum of terms of AP. Now we will understand this formula using a simple example. Let's take an example. Assume that you are going to a gym, that is you have joined for the gym. So next, when you go to gym, your trainer will say that on the first day you need to do 20 push-ups, and he will tell you that every day you need to increase your push-ups by 5. That is, from the first day to second day you need to increase your push-ups by 5. So that is, on the second day you will do 25 push-ups, on the third day you will do 30 push-ups, on the fourth day you will do 35, on the fifth day you will do 40, and on the sixth day you will do 45, and you will take a holiday on Sunday. So now your coach will come, or your trainer will come and ask you how many push-ups you did in 6 days. So in this time you can use the formula Sn equal to n divided by 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So now what is the value of n? N is the number of terms, that is there are 6 terms, so value of n is 6. A means initial value, that is 20. So now next one is d. D means a common difference, so difference between any two terms is 5, so d value is 5. So now we will find the sum of n terms. So now before finding it, we will see what is sum of n terms. Sum of n terms is totally how many push-ups you have done in 6 days. That is 20 plus 25 plus 30 plus 35 plus 40 and plus 45. So what will be the total value of this? We can find it 6 divided by 2 into a, that is 20, plus 6 minus 1, and the common difference is 5. So 2 1s are 2 3s are, here we can cancel. 3 into 20 2s are, that is 40, plus 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 into 5 is 25. So 3 into, that is 65. So 3 into 65, how to calculate 3 into 65? 60 into 3 is 180, 5 into 3 is 15. So 180 plus 15 is 195. So totally you have done 195 push-ups in 6 days. We will try it with a manual method. 20 plus 20, that is 40. 40 plus 30, that is 70. 70 plus 30, 100. 100 plus 40, 140. 140 plus 40, that is 180. So now we will go the 5 values. 5 plus 5 plus 5, that is 15. So totally 195. So therefore the formula A of n is used to find the value of the box, whereas S of n is used to find the sum of values of all the boxes. So now we will see with some examples. Okay, here is an example. First I will read out the question, then we will try to understand it, then we will solve the problem. Manufacturing company begins production in the year 2011. That year it produces 1 lakh units. That means in the year 2001 it has produced 1 lakh units. So this is the first half of the question. What does the second half is giving information? We'll see that its goal was to increase the production by 25,000 unit each subsequent year. That means what they are trying to say is, from 2001 to 2002 they need to increase their production value by 25,000. That is, in the 2002 they will be producing 1,25,000 units, right? So this is what the information they have given. Okay. So if you are a beginner, what you can do is you can just draw the boxes and you can just give the numbers. So here he has given the year, so I will specify the years: 2001, 2002, 2003, 4, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009 and 2010. So in the first year the production is 1 lakh, and in the next year, that is 2002, it has been increased by 25,000. So in the year 2002 the production is 1,25,000. Now we'll see what is the question. The first question that he is asking is, determine the production in the year 2004. That means he is asking the value of this box and 2009, that is the value of this box 2009. So how to find it? He has given A is equal to 1 lakh, that is the initial units, initial value. Next, he has given every year the production has to increase by 25,000. That means D value, the common difference is 25,000. Now he is asking for the fourth year, that is 2004, that is the box number 4. So we need to find value of A of 4, and next he is asking the value of 2009, that is box number 9, A of 9. I'll write it over here. So the formula goes like this: A plus n minus 1 into D, that is 1 lakh plus 4 minus 1 into D. Why 4? Because A of 4, that is the fourth box value. So 1 lakh, D value is 25,000, sorry, 25,000. 1 lakh plus 3 into 25,000, that is 1 lakh plus 75,000. So the total value will be 1,75,000 units. So that is, in the year 2004 they will be, the production of the factory will be 1,75,000 units. Now we will find what is the production of the factory in the year 2009. It is A plus n minus 1 into D. So 1 lakh plus 9 minus 1 into 25,000. 1 lakh plus 8 into 25,000. 1 lakh plus 8 into 25,000. 25,000 4 is 1 lakh. So to double of that is 2 lakh. So the total production in the year 2009 will be 3 lakh units. That is, in the year 2009 the factory will produce 2 lakh units. Okay, I think you got the explanation. Now we will move on to, so we got the first answer. Now we will move on to the second one. So what is the second question that he is asking? In all up to 2009, given this goal was met. Now he is asking what is the sum of all the year. What is the sum of all the years? That is from 2001 till 2009. So how to find it out? We can use another formula, that is S of n, that is sum of n terms of an AP. Sum of n terms of an AP is given by S of n, that is sum of n terms, n divided by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we will see what is the total production in 9 years, that is from 2001 till 2010. So 2001 till 2009, sorry, not 10, 2009, that is for the 9 years. So therefore the value of A will be same, that is 1 lakh. N value will be 9. D value will be 25,000. So now we'll apply this formula, n by 2. 2 into A, that is 1 lakh into 2. I'll write it directly. 2 lakh plus n minus 1, that is 9 minus 1, that is 8, into D, that is 25,000. So 9 by 2, I'll keep it as it is. 2 lakh 25,000 into 8, okay, that is again sums up to 2 lakh. So 2 lakh plus 2 lakh, that is 4 lakh. So now I'll just cancel it out. 4 lakh divided by 2, that is 2 lakh. So 9 into 2 lakh gives 18 lakh unit. That is the total production of the company from the year 2001 to 2009. It has produced 18 lakh units of the product. We will see another example. In this example, we'll see a sales agent of a company remitted 8 sum of money by electronic check. That is, he has given, let's assume that he has given the check in 8 installment, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and the 8. I'll mark it, give the number for this, 6, 7 and 8. Now we'll see the next part of the question. The sums were in arithmetic progression. The arithmetic progression, in the sense the common difference will be the same. The first being rupees 40,000. So what he is saying, that the first check that he has issued is of rupees 40,000. So now what he is asking in the question, determine the common difference. Okay, actually this one, only this one is the question, determine the common difference. And he is telling that the 8th sum, it is not 8 sums, it is 8th sum. So 8th sums paid, if the last was 5,30,000, that means the 8th check was 5,30,000 rupees. Now he is asking for the common difference. So which formula we need to apply? We need to apply A of n equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So first we will see A of 8th. Why I am taking 8th? Because I know the 8th check value. So A of 8th is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, whereas in n, I can put it a. I'll do it in the next step. So value of a is the initial term, that is 40,000, plus value of n is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7 into d. So the total a of 8 is 5,30,000. He has given it here, that is the 8th check. So plus 40,000 plus 70. So what I'll do, I'll bring this 40,000 over here. So I can write it as 70 equal to 5,30,000 minus 40,000. So therefore D is equal to 5,30,000 minus 40,000, that is 4,90,000 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7 sevens are 49. I'll keep this 40 as it is, that is 70,000. Therefore the common difference is 70,000. Let's go back to the question chart. That means in the first month he is paying 40,000. In the second month he is paying 40,000 plus 70,000, that is 1,10,000. Next in the third month again 70,000 is increased. So in the third month the total amount is 1,80,000 and so on. I hope you understood the questions, both the questions. Thank you for watching this video. There might be some disturbance in the background. I apologize for that. If there is any spelling mistake or the mistake in the pronunciation, I also apologize for that. Hope you understood the concept. We'll come up with next video on different topic. If you have any suggestion or queries on this video, you can just comment below in the comment box. So thank you for watching. This video is sponsored by Pearson Academy. This academy is having two categories of coaching classes. One is for 8th, 9th and 10th, that is for school students, and another one for the competitive exams like banking, railway and SSC. Here this is the contact number, you can directly contact. This is a WhatsApp number and this is the coaching class address. Thank you.